The early signs of a heart attack can be like whispers from your body, subtle yet urgent, often mistaken for less serious conditions. Knowing these clues can make all the difference, and when you think of a heart attack you might picture a dramatic collapse, but the reality is far quieter, until it's not. Here's what your body might try to tell you before disaster strikes. 1. The squeeze of chest discomfort. This isn't your typical pain. Some describe it as a heavy pressure, tightness, or a squeezing sensation in the center of the chest. It can last for more than a few minutes, fade away, and then return. It's often misunderstood, especially because some might chalk it up to heartburn or stress. But if it feels like an elephant is sitting on your chest, take note. Your heart may be sending you an alarm. 2. Sudden shortness of breath. Imagine climbing a flight of stairs and suddenly feeling winded, except you haven't moved. Shortness of breath can hit you without warning even when you're at rest. It might feel like you've just run a marathon when all you've done is stand up. Paired with other symptoms, this could be your heart struggling to pump enough oxygen-rich blood to your body. 3. Unexpected pain in unlikely places. Think about pain radiating out of nowhere to your arm, shoulder, back, neck, or even your jaw. These aren't places we usually associate with heart problems, but a heart attack can send pain signals to these areas. The brain sometimes misinterprets pain coming from the heart and places it elsewhere, particularly in your left arm or upper back. Women in particular are more likely to experience this vague yet serious symptom. 4. Cold sweats. A sudden clammy sweat isn't always a reaction to heat or physical activity. It could be a sign of your body going into shock. Imagine breaking out into a sweat while sitting at your desk or watching TV. This cold, sticky sweat can be a sign your heart is struggling and your body is trying to compensate. 5. Crippling fatigue. Have you ever felt completely drained after doing something as simple as making your bed? Extreme unusual fatigue is a common but overlooked warning sign, especially in women. You might find it harder to perform simple tasks, as your heart strains to meet the body's needs. If you're constantly exhausted for no clear reason, it's time to pay attention. 6. Nausea, dizziness, and indigestion. These symptoms are often shrugged off as food poisoning or a bad day, but they can be early indicators of a heart attack. A sense of lightheadedness, combined with nausea or a feeling of bloating, might not seem like a heart issue, but they could be warning signs, especially if they come with other symptoms like chest discomfort or shortness of breath. Heart attacks don't always scream their arrival, especially in women, where symptoms can be more subtle. It's crucial to tune into these small signals. The body often gives us early warnings, and ignoring them could cost precious time. Every second counts when it comes to the heart. The faster you respond, the more heart muscle you can save, and that could mean the difference between life and death. So, when these subtle signs whisper, don't wait until they shout. Call for help immediately. Recognizing the signs early could not only save your life but also drastically improve your recovery. Love what you see? Subscribe for more, hit like to show your support, and share to spread the word.